Dana White, the president of the Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC, has made a public plea to fans and supporters for donations to assist former MMA fighter Ben Askren, who is currently facing severe health challenges. As of this month, Askren has been diagnosed with a serious case of pneumonia, which has been exacerbated by a staph infection. He is now in urgent need of a lung transplant to survive. Ben Askren, who is 40 years old, was hospitalized after his health took a turn for the worse. Last week, he was reported to be unresponsive yet alive, countering troubling rumors floating around social media about his death. He has since been moved back to his hometown in Wisconsin to receive appropriate medical attention. UFC commentator Daniel Cormier provided updates confirming that Askren remains under critical care. Askren's wife, Amy Askren, recently addressed the public through social media, sharing details about her husband's condition. She explained that he is confined to his hospital bed and is currently dependent on a ventilator for breathing support. Her heartfelt message conveyed the gravity of the situation, stating, "His body can't handle coming off sedation too much yet." In a hopeful tone, she mentioned that prayers are ongoing for a miracle regarding his current lungs, although the process for evaluating him for a lung transplant has begun. In light of these developments, Dana White has taken the initiative to encourage the UFC community to lend their support. With a significant following of over 10.5 million on Instagram, he shared a link to a fundraiser aimed at gathering much-needed financial support for Askren's medical expenses, which are substantial. The estimated cost of a lung transplant in the United States can range from $300,000 to $400,000, a figure that many might find daunting. However, White's appeal targets the generosity of UFC fans, hoping they will rally behind Askren in this critical moment. Ben Askren has had a storied career in mixed martial arts, having retired in 2019 after a brief but notable stint with the UFC. He first made a name for himself in 2009, following an impressive collegiate wrestling career, where he earned the title of NCAA Division I champion twice. As a two-time Olympian, he was celebrated for his grappling prowess and maintained an impressive undefeated streak in his professional career, securing world titles in promotions such as Bellator and One Championship. His path in the UFC was marked by both triumph and controversy, as his relationship with Dana White was not always smooth. Askren made his octagon debut in 2019, following a trade deal involving former flyweight champion Demetrius Johnson. He began with a victory over Robbie Lawler, but his subsequent losses to Jorge Masvidal and Damian Maia led to his early retirement from the sport. Although he faced a challenging road with significant hip surgery after his retirement, Askren attempted to return to competition in boxing, facing Jake Paul in a match that ended in a first-round TKO loss. Outside of his athletic achievements, Askren is a devoted family man. He married Amy in 2010, and together they have 3 children, including 2 daughters and a son. The outpouring of support for him from the MMA community and beyond is a testament to the relationships he has built over the years. As fans await further updates on his condition, the hope is that with both community support and medical intervention, Askren can overcome this troubling chapter in his life.